Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to backtrack on Bumble using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Bumble app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap on People. This opens the profile field where you can see people nearby. Now you will see several options: X for pass, Heart for like, Backtrack arrow usually, or yellow arrow pointing left. Tap the backtrack arrow to undo your last swipe. This bring back the profile you just passed or liked. Backtrack is a premium feature, so you need Bumble Boost or Bumble Premium to use it. You can only undo the most recent swipe, not older one. Use backtrack carefully to correct mistakes. After backtracking, you can swipe right or left again as you like. And that's it. Now you know how to backtrack on Bumble using a phone. It's a simple way to undo accidental swipes and make sure you never miss a potential matches. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.